Okay, attention, those who want to do faceless marketing, right? I have all these ideas, y'all must save and share, okay? All right, so number one, I have this idea whereby, a lot of you ask me, like, how do I sell stuff on TikTok shop without showing my face? Guys, just create a video showing your product in action using only hands or text overlays to explain the features and benefits. All right, for service-based businesses, use screen recordings or visuals of results, okay? So that's why if you look at my video, sometimes I show results instead of my face, okay? And then example, if you're selling a skincare product, film yourself applying it to your hand while overlaying text that explains the benefits and ingredients, okay? For services, you could show a before and after transformation with text explanation. So why it works, right? Viewers can see the value and you don't have to appear on camera, okay? And it still look professional, all right? Next one, do a voiceover with product footage or service mockup. Okay, you can have this idea whereby you record a voiceover explaining the product or service benefits while showing the related footage or graphics. You can show your products and then explain and you use your voiceover. There's even an AI to change your voice, guys, okay? All right, if you want to remain mysterious, okay, and you can use high quality stock footage of people using your product or record your workspace or client projects while narrating it. Why it works, right? A voiceover adds a personal touch without being on screen, which can build trust and make your brand feel more relatable. Also, I actually prepared 100 faceless reels, guys, for you. It's a giveaway. Later I'll show you where is it. Okay. All right. Next, right, you can get to you can do like customer testimonials or case studies in text format. Share screenshots of your testimonials. So often enough, right, if you look at my channel, I show like customers attended my makeup classes and they love it and they always write a testimonial, right? And then I will screenshot it and put it on my Instagram, okay, to show to clients or potential clients that, hey, I got good testimonials for the services that I gave, okay? So you can share screenshots of the testimonials or create a carousels of text-based case studies with a breakdown of results, like how our marketing services increase client X traffic by how much in 3 months, something like that. Include brief description of each step you took. So this is more for this example, more for those who are doing social media management. I teach social media for entrepreneurs who want to handle their own social media platform, okay? So if you also want to be an aspiring social media managers, let's say you want to take care of other brands, right, you can also join me, okay? Later I'll show you how, okay? So and this faceless marketing, why it works, right, is because that's the testimonials build credibility, and using text or graphics instead of video makes it much more effective to share results concisely. So another faceless marketing that you can do, right, is educational content and how-to guides. So you create how-to guides or educational reels on topics related to your product or service and using text overlays and animations. Nowadays, CapCut, right? If you no idea how to use CapCut, guys, I got so many of you asking me how to use CapCut, right? Please go to their YouTube, right? They have a CapCut channel, okay? You can learn from there. You don't even need to pay someone to get it, okay? All right. So example is, if you're a financial advisor, make a reel on 3 quick tips for saving money this month with text overlays and stock images. So if you're a financial advisor, or even if you're a real estate agent, you don't really need to show your face. You just need to show the properties that you're selling, or even like you just give them tips and then you use my faceless reels that I'm giving you guys, 100 faceless reels. So please download, okay? And why it works, because educational content establishes you as an expert and attracts viewers who are interested in knowing what you're doing or learning. Okay, when it comes to educational content, right, some of the gurus on this TikTok, right, apps or even on Instagram was saying, oh, you don't teach, you don't educate. Right, on the contrary, I felt that when I teach, right, I have more people asking me and I have more leads. I don't know about the rest. Okay. So now I'm going to show you, right, how to download the faceless reels, 100 faceless reels that I'm giving away to you guys. So you go to my link in my bio, which is the beacons.ai/@JuliaChantel. Okay, then you scroll down, you will see this, okay, then you scroll down. Okay, you will see this. You can see this 100 faceless reels here that I'm giving away. And also I'm giving away personal branding on Instagram playbook. Okay, if you have no idea how to do social media, right, I want you to learn from her. She's Meta
She is
expert,
from
okay?
Meta.
which is from
Okay, Meta
Facebook,
means Facebook.
Basically, Meta,
Okay,
which is
she's the
Facebook,
expert
is the one
from
who create
Meta
all
for
this
many
social media
years.
first,
And
okay?
you know,
So
in order
all
for
the
you
things
to
that
get
see
close to her,
online,
right, in the
it's very
past,
similar
you
when
have to
it comes
spend like at least
algorithm,
$500,000
it's very
ads.
similar. The
Okay,
platform just
$500,000 worth of
the
ads on
audience,
Facebook.
right,
Then
or
you
the
can meet
readers,
her.
right, to watch
Okay, so
the
I want you to
content
watch her
longer, on a
masterclass.
longer watch time,
It's
so that they
really
can do
very
advertisement. So
informative.
how do you create
And if
that
you're
kind of
really very new to
contents,
social media or have no
right,
idea
go
how to
and watch
start,
this
right, go and watch this
masterclass,
masterclass and join
And
the
here I have a
catalyst,
sneak
which is
peek
on
of
my
what the
link
masterclass
as
is all
well.
about. So if you're
Yeah,
very
so
new to
follow
social
me for
media,
more
right, and you have no
ideas
idea
right
how
on
to
how to
start,
do faceless
I would
marketing,
advise you
guys.
to
See you
take the
soon in my
class.
next video.
Okay, so
Bye.
do